All right, further down the line. White tiger. This is pine forest. I think we'll stay low, Lucas. Is that just falling off? Somebody digging that. Bear country. Pine forest. Dens? Yeah, could be bear den. Fuck. Probably not since all the climbers are here. Stay low, Lucas. Holy shit, just a big boulder field. Just a big fucking boulder field. What the hell does this open up into? Lucas, what are you doing, buddy boy? Well, that's just a big field of boulders. That's crazy. I'm not climbing it. Boulder field. What is this boulder? What is this, Boulder Field, British Columbia? It's stupid, right? I think it's stupid, isn't it? Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, lots of boulders. Boulder Field, British Columbia.